Hello everyone, thank you for being there and thank you for the positive feedback that I have received from many of you, which encourages me even more to continue with these small video clips with these tips and curiosities about the fascinating world of gemology that I love so much. On my last video, we were talking about the 4 C's that we needed to analyze to give the value of a diamond. We stopped at the 2nd C and we said that the 3rd C, which is referred to carat, to the weight of the diamond, it was very, very interesting. So let's go with it. When we talk about gemstone, we say we have a 2 carat diamond, a 3 carat sapphire, etc. But I'm not sure we all know exactly what this word means. The term carat comes from the Greek queration, which is a very common Mediterranean tree. In English, it is the carob tree. As you can see in this image, the carob tree has small seeds inside the bean, which are very stable in size and weight. The Greeks needed to establish an element as a weight unit, and they used this seed, which weighs 0.20 grams. So we can say that 1 carat weighs 0.20 grams, so therefore 5 carats weigh 1 gram. So we arrived to the C referred to the cat. It is the last C, but it is as important as the other ones we have seen. The cut of a gemstone will give us the light, the brightness of a gemstone. There are many different types of cuts of shapes. As you can see in this image, we can find the round shape, the oval shape, pearl, heart, cushion, drop, etc. It is very important to analyze a rough diamond before making a decision as to the best cut for that particular stone. The most popular cut for diamonds is a brilliant cut. For centuries, diamonds have been cut in a round shape, but it was only in 1919 when the modern brilliant cut was established. It has 57 facets, which are 33 on the top and 24 at the bottom. But what is essential about the cut is not only the 57 facets, but the proportions of those facets. The brightness and lightness of a diamond depends on the proportion and can change the value of a diamond enormously. If the diamond is too flat, the light will come from the top, will disappear from the bottom, so they will not appreciate a diamond as a very bright stone. Instead, if the diamond is too pointy, as you can see, the light will arrive from the top again, but will leave from the sides. So we'll have the same problem. The diamond needs to be proportionally cut, so the light enters from the top, all the facets reflect the light, which then lifts the diamond from the top again, going straight into our eyes. Apart from the main cut shapes we have seen, there are many variations of these. And also, there are fantasy shapes like a half of a moon shape, star shapes, different beads, the head of a horse, etc. We are constantly trying to look for new cuts to show off the diamond as best as possible, but I have to say that so far no one has managed to make a better cut than the modern brilliant cut, which was established in 1919 by the Tolkovsky brothers, a family which at the time was involved in the Cullinan cutting, and also generations later is still involved in the cutting industry.